tricarboxylic acid cycle or TCA cycle. In the first step of TCA cycle, oxaloacetate combines with acetyl-CoA and forms citrate. The enzyme citrate synthase catalyzes this reaction. In the next step, citrate converts into cis-aconitate with the help of enzyme aconitase. Remember, this reaction is reversible. A water molecule is released in this reaction. Let's move on to the next step. In this step, cis-aconitate is converted into isocitrate. Aconitase is the enzyme that boosts this conversion. This reaction is also reversible, but the addition of water molecule takes place here. Let's move on to the next reaction. Now in this reaction, isocitrate forms oxalosuccinate. Isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme boosts this reaction. NADH forms in this reaction. Let's see what happens ahead. In this step, isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme converts oxalosuccinate to alpha-ketoglutarate. Carbon dioxide molecule escapes in this reaction. Jumping on to the next step. Now alpha-ketoglutarate converts into succinyl-CoA. Alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme boosts this conversion. NADH forms in this reaction while carbon dioxide is released. Now let's move on to the next step. Here in this reaction, succinyl-CoA converts into succinate. The enzyme involved in this reaction is succinyl-CoA synthetase. Remember, GTP molecule forms in this reaction, and this is a reversible reaction. In the next step, succinate dehydrogenase enzyme converts succinate into fumarate. Again, this is a reversible reaction. FADH2 is produced in this reaction. Let's move ahead. In the next step, fumarate is converted to malate. Fumarase enzyme accelerates this conversion. This is a reversible reaction and a water molecule is added in it. In the next step, malate dehydrogenase enzyme converts malate to oxaloacetate. This is a reversible reaction and NADH molecule is formed in this reaction. TCA cycle is also known as Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. It helps our muscles move when we run and jump. It empowers our brain to think and solve problems. It helps our heart beat steadily and keeps it strong. Where in the cell does TCA cycle run? In eukaryotic cells, it occurs inside mitochondria. But where exactly in mitochondria? It happens inside the matrix. Matrix is the space inside the inner mitochondrial membrane, and this is the spot where TCA cycle runs in a eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cells, TCA cycle runs in the cytosol because they lack mitochondria. Why TCA cycle is important? TCA cycle supplies energy. This energy helps us do many things like it helps our muscles move when we run and jump. It empowers our brain to think and solve problems. It helps our heart beat steadily and keeps it strong. TCA cycle also produces some intermediates like NADH and FADH2. These energy-rich molecules are vital for the formation of glucose, amino acids, and heme, etc. These intermediates of TCA cycle release further energy in another pathway called electron transport chain or ETC in short. Who discovered the TCA cycle? Hans Adolf Krebs discovered the TCA cycle in year 1937. Later, he won a Nobel Prize in the year 1953.
That is it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to the Science Info channel. Like and share this video if you want to help others. Stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.